Who said that life is going to be easy? Who told you that you one day will not have any struggles? I am confused because I used to think that one day something will happen and a magic wand will be swished on into my life and I would never have any problems. Do you think the same? Hi, I'm Kirti, Energy Alchemist. I help people by transforming their energies into abundance. I wonder, do you think the same way as I do? That one day something will happen and everything will be turned into gold or turned into happiness and abundance on its own. All we need to do is just be in problems, keep crying, and keep shouting out loud about the problems. Oh my God, when am I going to have happiness in my life? Why are you sending me all the problems? Do you think this just like that? I have heard many people that I don't know, my life is just a spiral into the hole. A rabbit hole where no one knows where it goes, where it begins. People cry out loud for not having jobs, not having perfect projects, not having perfect partner, not having perfect children. You name it. Do you know that life has to be struggling? Life equals to struggles. We need to understand this scenario and impart this knowledge to our upcoming generations that life is going to be full of struggles and problems. But how do we get abundance? Kirti, how do you turn your client's life into abundance? How? Just how? It's not that easy. The steps are enormous. You have to change the outlook. You have to see what's behind this problem. Every problem has a solution and a lesson as well. One day you will come out of that problem. Of course you will. But you need to know that there is a lesson. What did you learn from that problem? You will notice that if you don't understand the behind the scenes and the lesson behind the problem, you will continuously having the same kind of problem. If you don't like one kind of client, you'll get more of that. Until you understand what is in that person that you don't like, what kind of work you don't want to do, why you hate someone, why you don't like someone. When you understand behind the scenes of anger, jealousy, whatever negative emotions you get by seeing someone or having someone in your life, you need to understand behind the scenes. Am I jealous? Am I angry because this person was never been with me when I needed? When you understand all these behind the scenes, that is when you start changing. The problems will be there. They won't change. There will be problems after problems after problems, but you need to understand that when you start looking at why, the big why, WHY, that what and why is it happening into my life? That's when you change your perspective about things, and that's when you change yourself. That's how we grow onto the spiritual path. You need to understand this little scenario, and it is not easy. I'm not going to tell you that I am a kind of coach who will just switch the wand and everything will be there. One night you are zero and next night you will be $1 million or something like that rich person. No, it's not going to happen in one day. But yes, working with a coach or a counselor or any mentor will help you to fast forward that process, because I had been through all that process. I know tweaking small things can change your life, and that's all you have to do. Minute steps, minute changes in your behavior, in your lifestyle bring changes drastically into your life, and that is what we don't understand easily. Until something big stuck on our door, some big fight with your family member or loved ones or spouse or anyone, or a big failure or a death. If something like this happened into your life, that's when you start working on why is it happening to me? That is when you start asking yourself why. But when you are going through problems one after another, stop right there. Today you fought with someone. Today you lost lots of money due to some project or something. Today you lost a job or anything, just anything. Stop right there. Ask yourself, why does it happen? Just ask politely. And ask universe, dear God, dear universe, I want to know behind the scenes. I want to know why is this happening to me? And then when you are sitting silently in meditative state or relaxed state, you will receive the answer from the universe. That little voice in your head or in your heart is the answer, and this little voice will never tell you anything dangerous or anything bad or negative about you. It will tell you, it will talk in a positive way, in a more positive and subtle way. It will help you to uplift your energy instead of taking you down into the rabbit hole. Listen to this voice. If you want to write it down and know that this is the why behind your problems. If someone don't love you, or if you are not getting a job, no matter what happens, no matter how hard you try, or if you are getting sick 1 month and then okay, and after a few months you get sick again, anything, it could be anything. Just sit down and ask. When you ask, you receive the answers. And that's why I keep asking you to ask. ASK. Ask your questions in the comments below. When you ask, you will receive the answer. And that's how we grow. And all we are here for is to grow. To grow onto that space where you will be crying out loud for negativity in your life, for people hurting you, for people blaming you or anything, or losing a job or just anything. And the next moment you will ask why, and you will be relaxed by the answer that this is for your own good. When you receive the answer, you will be relaxed. Take action on that answer if there are steps given by the universe, and that's how we refine our soul. That's all. If you want to know more about soul refinement and soul journey, then go and get my free ebook by clicking the link below, Soul Shift Blueprint. Go get it right now. Like it and share it with your friends and family, because you never know whose life you are changing by sharing a little tip. So, ask your questions, like and share, live in light, enjoy your life and have fun.